2016 CX-3. The CX-3 is a fun and feisty roundabout with outstanding performance, style, and sophistication that outstrips the competition. The CX-3 subcompact crossover delivers unmatched driving dynamics right alongside outstanding fuel economy. It's the driving experience totally redefined. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, fog lights, MP3 capability, clock, trip computer, electronic stability control, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, automatic air conditioning, heads-up display, body color door handles, engine immobilizer, digital clock, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.